Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review the Citi Diamond Preferred card. We'll explore its main features, including the extended introductory APRA offers for both balance transfers and purchases. This card is known for its simplicity and lack of an annual fee, which can be a significant benefit for many cardholders. We'll also discuss who this card is best suited for, helping you decide if it aligns with your financial goals. The Citi Diamond Preferred card stands out with its impressive introductory APRA offers. You'll get 0% APRA on balance transfers for 21 months, providing ample time to pay down existing debt. Additionally, new purchases also receive a 0% APRA for 12 months. A major advantage is that this card carries no annual fee, which means more savings for you over time. While beneficial, the Citi Diamond Preferred card does have some considerations. Be aware of the balance transfer fee, which is 5% or a minimum of $5, whichever is greater. Unlike some other cards, it does not offer a rewards program, so you won't earn points or cash back on your spending. Also, international purchases will incur a 3% foreign transaction fee. So, is the Citi Diamond Preferred card worth it for you? If your primary goal is to consolidate high-interest debt or finance a significant purchase with an extended 0% APRA period, then absolutely. However, if you're looking for a card that offers rewards on spending, or if you travel internationally often, this might not be the best fit. Remember to check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.